Hello. In this section, we want to learn how to control and manipulate an object. First of all, we need to select a shape on the object. When it is selected, an orange line appears around the shape. So we select the default cube. When we press G, we grab the object and move it. If we left-click, the move is confirmed, and if we right-click, the move is canceled. And if you make a mistake, the Z control always reverses everything. Then we go to R. For rotation, as before, left-click confirms, right-click cancels. Next is the S key for scale or scale. By pressing the N button, the transform menu opens. Here, when we press GX, we see that it moves along the X-axis. When we press GY, it moves along the Y-axis. When we press GZ, it moves along the Z-axis. When we press RX, we see that it rotates along the X-axis. When we press RY, it rotates along the Y-axis. When we press RZ, it rotates along the Z-axis. The same goes for scale. Let's hit SX on the X-axis, let's hit SY on the Y-axis, and let's hit SZ. We have a change in the Z-axis. So now, if we want to manually enter 5, we will see that 5 units will be moved on the X-axis. To do this, we can hit GX5. We will see that 5 units will be changed. The shortcut key is this. For the rotation, we can also hit RX45, and we will see that it will change 45 degrees. For the scale, we can also hit SZ6, and we will see that the 6 meters in the Z-axis will increase. There are a series of tools next to the Blender screen that we can use. When the Move tool is active, you will see a colored arrow. Red is the X-axis, green is the Y-axis, blue is the Z-axis. If you drag the arrow, the object will only move in that axis. Next to each arrow, there is a small square. The red square deletes X, the green square deletes Y, the blue square deletes Z. And we can hit these with shortcut keys if we want. J-Shift-X deletes X. J-Shift-Y deletes Y. J-Shift-Z deletes Z. Next is the Rotate tool, which again has 3 colored circles. The red circle rotates around X, the green circle rotates around Y, the blue circle rotates around Z. It also has a white circle that allows free rotation. The next tool is the Scale tool, which is the Scale tool. We also have 3 colored lines for scale. The red line is the scale X, the green line is the scale Y, and the blue line is the scale Z. Next to some of them are squares that delete one of the axes and scale the 2 axes. Well, these also have shortcut keys. To do this, we press S-Shift-X. X is deleted. We press S-Shift-Y and Y is deleted. We press S-Shift-Z and Z is deleted. Next is the Transform tool. If we press the Transform tool, Move, Rotate, and Scale all appear together. It looks busy, but some people like to work together. If we want to fix the value, we have to use the Apply command. For example, if we move an object and want it to be in its new position as our default position, we press Ctrl-R and click Apply Location. The same process applies to rotation and scale. We can apply each separately or all together.